Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, I will anyways though. Very crazy movement, not only today from a price action perspective, but also you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support, right down here at about 22.5 cents, and this one's got quite a bit of history with it. You can see right here that's directly where the price bounced off of during that first 30 minutes. Later on, when that deeper pullback happened, that was essentially where the price ultimately found some support. So the first key level that I would watch going into tomorrow, definitely going to be at the 22.5 cent mark, because give or take right around that area, apparently people are willing to buy and want to buy and find value at that area. Now, are people going to continue to find value at that area? Well, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but as far as the story of the chart and what it's telling us, as things stand right now, yeah, people are willing to buy at 22.50. Now, in the event, or excuse me, 22.5. But in the event the price does break below there, so for whatever reason people are like, nah, I don't find that a good value anymore, the next key level of support to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, which is the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving, so I'm not going to assign a numerical value to that because that value will change over time because it's a moving average. It'll change. But as things stand right now, 22.5 is going to be that first level of support. But then, yeah, that purple line comes into play if that level cannot hold. However, to be fair, and so far so good, that 22.5 cent mark is doing a solid job of acting as support. Now, what happens if the price starts to turn around and bounce? Where are some of these levels of resistance at? First key level of resistance is going to be what I'd consider more of a shorter term one, but that's right there at the 24 cent mark. That was basically, during the bounce that happened late afternoon. That's where that bounce ran out of steam right up there at 24. So that'll be near term level of resistance. If the price can push through there, the next key level up there at 25.5 cents. So one step at a time, one hurdle at a time, 24 and then 25.5. Anyway, look at it though. Nice movement today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.